Okay, Airbus A321 seat map review. So this is on flightseatmap.com. Sample route Hong Kong to Taipei. We've got the economy deck, 176 seats, standard amenities, and there's the key. So pretty standard. Interesting, there's no middle seat here. 25B, 25J, so potentially 26. B and J could be good seats, potentially with extra legroom. Obviously this is just the economy cabin. We've got the extra legroom seats here on 37, again no middle seat. Interesting. Yeah, best seats definitely on the wing, on the exit rows, where you'll have extra legroom. Other than that, pretty standard.